Binary to gray code converter. How can we convert binary to gray? Now the steps involved are: first is truth table, second one is K-map simplification, and the third is logic diagram. Now we will see one by one. Now to convert a binary to gray code, I consider a 3-bit binary number. For a 3-bit binary number, the possible combinations are 2 to the power of 3. Now which are 8. So here I consider the decimal numbers 0 to 7. And here this is nothing but 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. Nothing but this is 1, 2 and 4. Now the binary number for this 0 is 0, 0, 0. And for 1 it is 0, 0, 1. And for 2, 0, 1, 0. And for 3, 0, this is 1 and here is 1. 2 plus 1 it is 3. 4, 1, 0, 0. For 5, 1, 0, 1. This is 4 and this is 1. For 6, 1, 1, 0. And for 7, we have 1, 1, 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Total 7. Decimal number. Now what is the gray code for this binary? Now to write this gray code, here in this binary, consider this as the MSB, most significant bit, and that most MSB, most significant bit is written directly here. And then add these two. This is nothing but 0. And again add these two, which is again 0. And for the next one, for 1, the gray code is, say here is MSB is 0, and 0 plus 0 it is 0, 0 plus 1 it is 1. And for 2, here MSB is 0, write this MSB here, and then add these two, 0 plus 1 is 1, now 1, and every time we have to record the sum, and again 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. Now this is the gray equivalent for this binary. And for 3, again that MSB is 0, and then 0 plus 1, the sum is 1, and here is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1, 0. In this case, the ignore that carry, and here write this 0. Ignore the carry. Now for this again the MSB, for 4 it is MSB is 1, and add these two, this is 1, and 0 plus 0 it is 0. And for 5, MSB is 1, and add these two, 0, 1 plus 0 it is 1, and 0 plus 1 it is 1. And for 6, it is 1, 1 plus 1 it is 1, 0, ignore the carry, so it is 0, and 1 plus 0 it is 1. And for the last one, this is 1, MSB is 1, 1 plus 1 it is 1, 0, and ignore this carry and write it here 0, and here again it is 1, 0, ignoring this carry, and this is 0. Now this is the truth table. This is the truth table to convert a binary to gray. The next step is simplification, K-map simplification. Now how can we simplify using this K-map? Now to simplify, here I write here as A, and this is BC. Now these are the binary inputs. These are the binary inputs and the gray outputs. Binary inputs are ABC here, and the outputs are XYZ. Now here I am going to write an expression for the output. Now here I am writing the inputs, binary inputs, and this side is A and this side BC. Now for BC the combinations are 0 0 0 1, jump one column 1 0 and 1 1. Now here again 1 0. Now moreover here the block numbers are given 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now how can we fill this blocks? How can we fill this block? Now to fill this table, now here I am going to write this K-map for X. K-map for X. To write this K-map for X, here in this truth table, observe the positions of ones. Now here you have the ones. Now what are the corresponding decimal numbers? Say 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now in this table, mark ones in these mark ones at these numbers. Say this is nothing but 1, 4 is 1, 5 is 1, 6 is 1, 7 is 1. Now here the next step is grouping. The possible grouping here is this quad, and here you have only one row is selected. Now here is 1, so that it is nothing but A. Now the expression for X is nothing but A. Now similarly, now I am going to write an expression for Y. For that also A, B, C, and here again BC is are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. To fill this table again, observe the positions of ones in this truth table. Now the positions of ones are 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mark the ones in the respective blocks. Say they are nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have to write the group. We have to make a group. Now this is one group, and this is the another group. Now what about the expression? The expression is, this is for y is equal to, now here you have 1 and here 0 0 0 1. There are two columns are covered, and in these two columns 0 0 0 1, and 0 is common. So this is nothing but B. And this is A. So B, so that here you can write for this group, you can write this as A B complement, because it is 0, plus, now come to this. For this group, this A is equal to 0, nothing but A complement, and 1 1 and 1 0. 1 is common, so it is B. So A complement A, B complement plus A complement B. This is nothing but A XOR B. Now this is the expression for Y. And come to the third one, which is nothing but Z. Expression for Z. Now the inputs are A, B, C and the possible combinations here are for BC and for A. Now to fill this, again observe the position of ones here in this truth table. Now here you have two ones, the corresponding decimal numbers are 1 and 2. So mark here as 1 and 1. 1 and 1. And the next ones are 5 and 6. Say 5 and 6. So mark again 1 and 1 at 5 and 6. Now next step is grouping. Now here this is one group, this is one group, and this is the another group. Now here for this group you have two horizontal rows are covered, nothing is common here, and a vertical column is 0 1. 0 1 means it is B complement C. So B complement C, and for this two rows are covered, nothing is common, they are 0 and 1, and here you have 1 0, so that you can write it as B C complement, nothing but C. B complement C plus B C complement, which is nothing but B XOR C. Now this is the writing of key map, and these are the expressions for the outputs. Expression for outputs X, Y and Z. Using these expressions, now next is we are going to write or draw this logic diagram. Draw the logic diagram. Now these are the inputs. Say these are inputs. These are the inputs. And now what about X? To X, say A is nothing but X is equal to A. X is equal to A. So that here this is nothing but A. Whatever be the input A, it is nothing but X. And come to the next one, Y. Y is nothing but A XOR B. A XOR B. Now here this is an XOR gate. This is an XOR gate. Now this is nothing but A and this is B. This is A XOR B is equal to Y. This is Y. And for Z, Z is B XOR C. Now this is B and this is C. Now this is B XOR C. This is equal to Z. Now this is the logic diagram. Now you wanted to convert a binary number to a gray code. The procedure is, here you have a binary input, here you have a binary input, and this logic circuit diagram is here. Logic circuit diagram, and this is the output, which is a gray code. Now if we are given a binary input, the output is nothing but a gray code. If we are given a binary input, the output is a gray code. Now here we place this logic circuit diagram. Now this is about this binary to gray code conversion.